watch hours. Please, I cannot watch your playlist back for you. I beg you. So please, if you are doing it, you are doing it, just you want to do it, but please, I can't do it in return. I'm begging everyone. One or two reasons. For 4 days, they haven't added the live streaming I have done. Please, if you are watching my playlist, please, unless I tell you to, watch my playlist for me, please don't watch my playlist if I'm not aware, because I cannot watch yours back because of one or two reasons. I'm begging everyone, please. If I want to watch your videos for you, no problem. I can watch anytime for you. But a journey, you will watch my playlist and I will take a journey to do yours. And I can't, please. I do appreciate it. I really appreciate everyone's support. But please, I beg everyone, I can't. Although I have a bad experience, but it's not that it's preventing me not to watch people's playlists. No, but one or two reasons. So please, if you want to watch my playlist for me, let me be aware. I have 836 watch hours. Bedianawalkerdoings have 836 watch hours. Bedianawalker Vibes on YouTube has 831 watch hours on YouTube. So I'm begging everyone, I cannot watch your playlist for you because of one or two reasons. But I can sacrifice and watch anytime. I can watch your playlist without asking you anything. I will not even tell you. I will just support you. But to have a discussion with you, you watch my playlist, I watch your playlist. Please, I can't do it. How are you doing? Please, I can't do it. One or two reasons. I love everyone. I have a phones. I can do it for you without telling you. Yeah. I will do that for people that support me. Yes, although I have experience on gratefulness things on my past on YouTube channel, on YouTube streets. Yeah. So I don't want. If you want to watch my playlist for me, please tell me, Bediana, I want to watch your playlist for you. If I will tell you, I will watch back. I cannot watch back. You see, truth are always bitter. Some people will tell you that, okay, I'll watch your playlist back for you, but they will not watch. But let me be clean to you. I cannot watch your playlist for you. Yes. So everyone that watch my playlist for, I kneel down and I say, God bless you. I appreciate the data you use to watch my playlist. God will reward you, and I will keep on supporting you. I will support you. I don't care if you don't want to watch my video. I will support you, because I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I started with you. So I will come and support you. Yes. People that support me, I will support them. But people who has started avoiding me, I don't care. I will still come and watch your video for you because of love you have shared with me before. I will come and support you. It doesn't matter you don't watch my video, no problem. No hard feelings. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalker Vibes on YouTube. Now we there, yeah. No hard feelings. I'm sorry if I have wronged you. I'm really sorry. I'm not perfect. Too. Remember, I'm an orphan. I don't have any family. Social media, na me I the vibe. Yes. So a lot of people don't know I don't have family. So if I cause any trouble, no one will come and fight for me. That's why I said, if in so many ways I have wronged you, please forgive me. Or you want my husband to come to live and say, Bediana, break you. Hi.